Record deal. How to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to win 2 record deals. Setup. Give each player 2 voting chips and 1 Fire the Band token. If you are playing with 3 players, then each player gets 4 voting chips instead. Each player writes their name or stage name on a section of the ballot box. Set the ballot box cover on top of the dividers in the bottom of the box. Be sure to match up the performer numbers. Pick a player to be the DJ. The DJ must go to playshenanigans.com/recorddealmusic for all the beats they will need to play. Shuffle the song cards and put them face down on the table. Each player draws 2 song cards. The player who most recently went to a live concert goes first. On your turn, spin the genre spinner to determine the backbeat for your performance. Pick one of your 2 song cards to perform. Take a few moments to prepare. Decide if you're going to add any personal tweaks to the song, repeat lines, or improvise, just so long as you keep to the genre. You may have the DJ play some of the music before you start so you can get a feel for the song. When you are ready, have the DJ cue up the backbeat and perform your song. After your performance, discard the used song card and draw a new one for the next round. The round continues with the next player clockwise going. Continue until all the players have performed. All players now use their voting chips to vote on their favorite performance. Vote by dropping your chip in the ballot slot of the performer's name. You may not vote for yourself, but you may vote twice for the same player. When all voting is finished, lift the ballot box cover. The player with the most votes wins the record deal. If there is a tie in votes, then no player wins the record deal. Return the voting chips back to the players, then play another round. If you spin a genre you don't want to perform, you may place your Fire the Band token down and yell, "I can't work with this." Now pick a different genre of your choice and continue. You may only use your Fire the Band token once. Once used, remove it from play. The first player to win 2 record deals wins the game. If you're nervous about singing, try musically speaking your lyrics or distracting the audience with a dance move. Or have another player help by dropping some sick beatboxing or doo-wops in the background so you don't have to perform alone. Or you can choose to form duets with other players. This works great when playing with 6 or more players. All duets still only get 2 voting chips, 1 Fire the Band token, and 2 song cards.